Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Roblox error code 259. This error usually happens when the game data fails to load properly due to network issues, corrupted system data, or temporary Roblox glitches. First, restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches that affect Roblox connectivity and loading. Also, verify your network connection, make sure it is stable, restart your router if needed, or switch to a different network. Now check Roblox by running it again normally. If the issue continues, try running Roblox as an administrator by searching for Roblox and clicking Run as Administrator. This gives Roblox proper permission and can help fix loading-related errors. Now try opening the game or joining a different server, because error code 259 can be caused by a specific server or session issue. Also, make sure Roblox is up to date, because an outdated version can cause loading and connection errors. That's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox error code 259. You can fix it by restarting your device, checking your internet connection, running Roblox as administrator, switching servers, and updating Roblox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.